Hey gang, Showshit21 here. We are finally on to the cleanup stage for this. Hopefully today we can get them cleaned and painted. We're going to clean and paint the knuckles, the drive shafts, and the spindles as well. And so we're going to wire wheel them, hit them with some rust converter and degreaser, and then some rusty metal primer, and we're going to get them painted. And then hopefully we can get them pressed back together and reinstalled here in the next day or so. That way I can get the truck off the jack stands and we can get onto the AC system. So let's get into it. I might not do all this, I don't want to get all of it in video. But, we're gonna got a wire wheel. You get the idea. We're gonna get this done. I'm gonna have to switch over to the drill to get inside stuff. So we'll come back when it's all done. Okay, we've got everything wire wheeled as close as we're going to get it. I tried some rust converter, or I tried some rust dissolver. I don't think it's necessary at this point. I'll show you what we've got. We're going to wipe it down with some acetone. We're going to hit it with some 415. We're going to let that flash off. Then we're going to hit it with some rusty metal primer. And then we're going to paint. I've got some Rust-Oleum enamel that we're going to hit this all with, and then hopefully we can start to put some things back together. I've got a couple things to mask off and a couple things to polish, but I'll do that, before things go back together. We're getting close. It is, within the realm of getting done here shortly. So let's get it wiped down, and then I'll start getting stuff masked off so we can hit it with some spray paint and some pour. All right. So I couldn't find any prep solve, so we've got some acetone. We're gonna pop open here. Got the wire screwdriver. Get these all cleaned up. I'll lay them out on some cardboard and I'll come back when they're all sprayed down. Alrighty, so first thing to hit this with is a little bit of rust reformer. Using Rust-Oleum, not sponsored, but if they want to, I'd love it. So we're gonna hit this with some rust reformer. Let that flash off. Then we'll hit it again on the back side with rust reformer, let it flash again, and then it is to hit some rusty metal primer, let that flash off, and then I've got some bronze and a bronze color paint to put on this. All right. Ran some errands, and we are now officially out. It's still well within the you should let this flash off time on this stuff. It says 24 hours before you can paint it. I really need this done sooner. So we are going to hit this tonight. With the paint we're going to use, which is Rust-Oleum's enamel, and an anodized bronze, and we're going to give it like 18 hours to flash off on this stuff, so I can then start to put things back together tomorrow, because I really need to get the truck back on the wheels so we can get onto the AC side of things so I can have a vehicle. So we're going to try setting number 5 here. Okay. No, excuse me, setting number 4. All right. So while that cures, I'm going to go set up a drying station. I'll hit the back of it and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Alrighty, so we have got everything painted, and that is where we will end this episode. It has been overnight, but everything is painted that's going to go back on, and now's the time to start reassembling. So we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Sharps out.